right? It's your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. And today we're going to talk about why you have to stop being nice in business and start just being business. Being a businessman. I had a customer with a wall lever, and they had an error. I forgot what error it was, old school Whirlpool. Anyway, they said, man, my wife loved to cook and such, and we really had to be down for a week or two while you had a control board rebuilt. So I had some, you know, what I thought was the exact same control board, which it looked like everything. And I sent that control board off to get rebuilt. So it'll be good for the customer. And I got the control board back. I got to the customer's house, pulled a control board, installed the other one, and when I installed the other one, I looked and I said, man, it's missing one relay. Now what that mean? That means you wasted money for one, you wasted time for two. Now you gotta go spend some more money, three, waste more time, four. And now, number five, the customer looking at you silly. You need to know your shit. Do you have the right board or not? Stop being so nice and do what you're supposed to do in business. That is, be a businessman or woman. Quit trying to be nice. That'll cost me all that money and time, which for me, I really ain't tripping, but for someone who don't have the money, that's a major headache, a major hiccup. If this had been when I first started, this could have knocked me off the ship. I might would have been like, well, I don't want to do this because I hadn't got my legs up under me. But now, I'm like, it's just one of them things. But for me, this is a lesson for me. Stop being so goddamn nice. It's business, man. My mentor, shout out Miss Ward, told me to pick up the 48 Laws of Power, which I had already read the book. Let my homeboy UNT, Big James Hicks, Big James, use that book. I ain't never get it back. It was so good that I never got it back. But anyway, I went to my Audible to get the book. Hell, I already had the book. Hell, it started me back midway through the book. I'm almost at the end. Yeah, I just forgot I had it already. But yeah, it talks about that, man. I used to be a 50 Cent hater. You know, I until I got into business, I ain't like how 50 Cent did folks. I ain't like how he did people, because I'm a big Young Bucks fan, man. And I rock with the game. And if you from down south, you just kind of got like this thing about you. You know, my beef ain't your beef, dog. Like, that ain't what we do. But when you a business, you got to understand, friends and business is something different. See, Young Buck was thinking friendship, family. Now, we business. We might fellowship like family and friends, but this really just business. So he got that confused, and I got that confused also. So now I understand. Either you with me in business or you against me in business. And if you against me in business, I'm gonna stump your ass out all the way. You can't live, you can't eat, you can't survive, because you don't kill that snake. I mean, you don't leave that snake alive, you kill that snake. So, that said, I got to be about my business, not about him trying to make friends and conversate and because I'm good for the conversation. I love to talk to people, and I want to make people happy with my services. But there's a time for business and there's a time for friendships, and business and friendship don't go together. So that's just your friendly little lesson today on how I messed up and gonna lose about $200 And a lot of time that I could be doing the other calls that I could have got paid for, but I'm sitting around here, had to sit off another control board to get it rebuilt because I'm playing friend and not being businessman. Get about your business, man.